Hello everyone, welcome to Lesson 4. Today we're building your professional vocabulary with the QA dictionary, following our slides in alphabetical order. Before we start, make sure you've mastered our previous lessons. Each step builds the foundation for your QA career. This comprehensive QA dictionary is your guide to the essential terms and concepts you'll use every day in software testing. Let's begin with our first set of terms, covering everything from acceptance criteria to behavior-driven development. Acceptance criteria define success, while Agile testing focuses on continuous, collaborative feedback cycles throughout development. Acceptance testing, a testing phase conducted to determine if the software meets business requirements and is ready for delivery. Next, we move to C through E, where we look at how we measure and integrate our testing efforts. Code coverage tracks your testing depth, and continuous integration automates validation for every single update in the repository. Compatibility testing ensures the software operates as expected across different devices, operating systems, network environments, and browsers. Moving on to F through L, focusing on functionality, integration, and the global reach of our applications. Functional testing validates features against specs, while integration testing ensures that different modules work perfectly together. Load testing tests the system's ability to handle expected user load, evaluating its performance and behavior under typical usage. And localization testing ensures that the software is adapted for a specific locale, including translation accuracy, date, time formats, currency, and legal requirements. In the M through P section, we look at human-driven testing and how our systems perform under pressure. Manual testing involves human simulation of behavior, and performance testing evaluates system speed and stability under heavy load. For Q through S, we explore quality assurance and the importance of checking our work after every change. Quality assurance improves systematic processes, and regression testing ensures that new updates never break existing functionality. Sanity testing, a narrow-focused test conducted after minor changes to ensure specific functionality works as expected, often referred to as a smoke test. And static testing that involves examining documents, such as requirements and code, without executing the program. Examples include code reviews and walkthroughs. And finally, security testing is a type of software testing that checks whether an application is protected against threats, risks, and unauthorized access. The goal of security testing is to identify vulnerabilities and ensure that data and system resources are safe from attacks. Now for T and U, the building blocks of our tests and the experience of our final users. Test cases define exact validation conditions, and usability testing ensures your application is intuitive and satisfying. Unit testing, testing individual functions, methods, or modules of code in isolation, typically automated and often conducted by developers. Finally, V and W cover the logic of building the product right and looking deep into the code itself. Verification checks if the product is built correctly, and white box testing examines the internal structure and logic of the code. Fantastic work completing the dictionary. In our next lesson, we'll dive into the SDLC, the software development lifecycle. Keep practicing these terms at home. Join our community, subscribe, and leave your feedback below. See you soon.